So this is a little bit of the starwort growing here.
He says it's a first for P.E.I. and for the Maritimes, a little plant called pondwater starwort, and it's bad news for pretty much everything else in the water.
It's kind of like a bully of a plant in the stream. It would be essentially like looking at a grass lawn carpeting the stream completely.
A watershed in Hunter River noticed it first back in July. Then people started finding it in places near Bonshaw and Charlottetown too.
It's going to be very aggressive and very resistant to treatment.
In the right conditions, it looks like this, a thick, tangly mess that can harm whatever is underneath it.
It's creating essentially a net. It's going to be really hard for fish to pass through. Things floating down the stream are going to get caught in it. The other plants that our wildlife depend on aren't going to be able to compete with it.
P.E.I.'s Invasive Species Council says it's tricky to say how exactly the plant got here, but it's sometimes put in backyard ponds and aquariums, so that could be it. And the seeds are easy for birds to spread.
By the looks of the infestations, it does look like it has been here for at least a growing season or two.
Once the plant settles in, she says it's tough to get rid of. It can survive the winter underwater, and trying to yank it out might actually make the situation worse. If any bits are left behind, it just grows right back.
Right now, there are a lot of unknowns on how to get rid of it since it is such a new discovery. We identified it in many regions and it was growing very quickly, so it definitely is a concern.
P.E.I.'s Invasive Species Council says the pondwater starwort is likely in other places on the island and is asking people to report it if they see it. Once the team has a better idea of how widespread the problem is, they'll decide how to best manage it. Sheehan, Desjardins, CBC News, Charlottetown.